Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I've got a quick and simple card for you. It is using the new amazing phrasing stamp set, which you can get free with a £90, €120 order during celebration just to the end of the month. But it also uses our glittered, our ombre glimmer paper, which is in the new in colours. So this is the Parakeet Party. This one was the Poppy Parade. It's not Poppy Parade at all, it's Sweet Sorbet. There's also Tahitian Tide, Orchid Oasis and Starry Sky. But Parakeet Party, not a colour I use very often, so I decided I'm going to use it. But I kind of wanted to keep them sort of kind of unisex, I guess, for anybody. And this one says, woohoo, woohoo, you did it. And that's the point about this phrasing, is that you can take these big ones and then you can add whatever phrases you want. So I went with woohoo, you did it, but woohoo to you too, or oops, I'm the worst, or amazing, oh sorry, it's going to be amazing, and whatever, you get the point. Right, so I've taken my sheet of cardstock, I've cut it in half and scored it in half. Whoops, and so this will give me an international standard A6 card base. You can make your 6x6. I would think it's probably going to look a little better, this styling, in a rectangular card, but you know, it's not hugely important. Right, so I know the measurement of the width of my card, and what I want to do is cut a panel that will be a little under half of it. So in my case it's 10.5 centimetres wide, sorry, a little over half. So I'm going to cut it to 6, okay, just a bit over half the width, because it's going to sit like that and I want to get a border around it. Again, I know the length of my card, so I'm going to make it 0.5 centimetre less, and actually I'm cutting the darker bit off because it feels like there's more dark than light. It makes sense, and it will just sit like that. And then I want to put a panel. This is also free paper. I forgot what this one's called. What's this one called? Silver and Gold Designer Series paper. There you go. This is the silver one. So I'm going to work on a 0.5 centimetre difference again, because my glimmer paper was 0.5 centimetre shorter. So I'm going to make this a further 0.5 centimetre shorter. I didn't want to do that at all. I wanted to do 1 centimetre. Oh, silly Sam. Let's take a bit more off, because I wanted more of that ombre glimmer on show. There we go, so you get a bit more of that glimmer on show. Right, and then I want some white, and I don't know how straight that edge is, but we'll go with it. So what am I going to say? I'm going to go, amazing, you've got this. Because I just think that's a really nice thing to say to somebody. You've got this. Or maybe you've got this, you are amazing. You've got this, you are. Oh look, I can do that. There's you've got this. Whoops. You've got this. And where is you are? You are is there. I'm going to get a long block, and then a shorter block for that, and another block for that. Parakeet Party. So this one I want to go on a straight edge so that I can cut it off. Which I'll do in a minute. These ones somehow I'm going to cut round them. That'll fit on there. Right, back in with the trimmer so that I can cut that off first. And there's nothing sciencey to this, it's just, that looks like it's about the right width. That was pretty good actually. Okay. Wish me luck, I'm going to wibbly cut round this. And yeah, I'm just sort of wibbling the lines a little bit. This is quite fun because, you know, there's no rules with this other than sort of go up with the tall letters and down between words. And it's just, yeah, quite fun. Oh, forgot to turn the phone off. So you've got this and you are. I'll do the same around this one. You could have a whole collection of these done, just working with the 5 in colours and the ombre paper, the ombre glimmer. You could, yeah, just put a whole collection of them together. Oh, and the last bit I wanted to do, let me just scooch those into the bin, is take this and flag tail it. Now to start assembling. So this is on the designer series paper, onto the glimmer. Oops. Being distracted by all the glittery bits. There's sort of almost orange and yellows and greens in there, as well as the parakeet party. And then on here and off to one side. And where did my dimensionals go? Here. So what did I say? You've got this. You are amazing. Now I want mini dimensionals. Where's those? Here we go. Or was it you are amazing, you've got this? I think we're going to go with you are amazing, you've got this. Endless phrasing. Take the backing off that. And we'll go, you are amazing, and you've got this. And then to finish, so I used these on this one, fine sparkle adhesive back gems, but I want something a bit greener. So I'm going to go with those because they are the in colours. Have I got 2 packs of these on the go? Apparently I have. Got 2 packs of these on the go, and that, silly Sam, again. Okay, so let's go with the slightly paler ones. 1, 2, and then a little ditty up here. And that is a nice way to send a card to somebody. Woohoo! You did it and you are amazing. You've got this. I'm about to stab myself with my paper piercer. Anyway, what do you think? Hope you like them. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.